2024 Yamaha XSR900 promises an unforgettable riding experience that transcends time. One of the standout features of the 2024 Yamaha XSR900 is its design, seamlessly blending the classic styling of yesteryear with modern aesthetics. The bike retains the unmistakable lines of its predecessors, featuring a round headlamp, a sculpted fuel tank, and a flat seat, all reminiscent of classic motorcycles. However, Yamaha has infused contemporary elements, such as LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and bold color options, giving the XSR900 a distinct and eye-catching appeal. The 2024 Yamaha XSR900 performance. The XSR900 is far from just a pretty face. At its heart lies the revered 890 cubic centimeters CP3 engine, renowned for its exhilarating power and linear torque delivery. This triple-cylinder powerhouse pumps out 119 horsepower and 93.5 pound-foot of torque, propelling the bike with exhilarating gusto. Whether carving through corners or devouring open roads, the CP3 never fails to deliver a thrilling ride. With Yamaha's advanced engineering, riders can expect a smooth and responsive throttle, making every twist of the wrist a thrilling experience. The bike's lightweight chassis and agile handling further contribute to its dynamic performance, making it a joy to navigate both city streets and winding roads. The 2024 Yamaha XSR900 technology. Yamaha has not compromised on technology in the 2024 XSR900. The motorcycle is loaded with advanced features to enhance both safety and convenience. Riders can enjoy multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. The inclusion of ABS ensures reliable braking performance, while the connectivity options allow riders to stay connected on the go. 2024 Yamaha XSR900 comfort and ergonomics. Whether it's a short urban commute or a long weekend ride, the 2024 Yamaha XSR900 prioritizes rider comfort. The ergonomic design of the bike ensures a relaxed riding posture, while the well-padded seat provides support for extended journeys. Additionally, thoughtful details like adjustable suspension and handlebar positions allow riders to customize their experience based on personal preferences. 2024 Yamaha XSR900 customization. True to the XSR series tradition, the 2024 model encourages riders to express their individuality through customization. Yamaha offers a range of genuine accessories, allowing enthusiasts to tailor their XSR900 to suit their style. From exhaust systems to decorative accents, riders can transform their bikes into unique, personalized machines. The 2024 Yamaha XSR900 eco-friendly engineering. Yamaha has also prioritized environmental sustainability in the design of the XSR900. The engine is compliant with the latest emission standards, reflecting Yamaha's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. The motorcycle incorporates fuel-efficient technologies without compromising on the exhilarating performance that riders crave, striking a balance between power and eco-consciousness. 2024 Yamaha XSR900 community and events. Owning a 2024 Yamaha XSR900 goes beyond the individual experience of riding. It opens the door to a vibrant community of enthusiasts. Yamaha organizes events and gatherings, allowing riders to connect, share experiences, and celebrate their passion for motorcycles. Whether it's a local ride out or a global meetup, the XSR900 community fosters a sense of camaraderie among riders who appreciate the blend of classic and contemporary that this motorcycle represents. The 2024 Yamaha XSR900 future-ready features. Looking ahead, Yamaha has future-proofed the XSR900 by incorporating features that align with emerging trends in the motorcycling industry. The motorcycle is ready for upcoming technological advancements, ensuring that riders can enjoy the latest innovations without the need for a complete overhaul of their beloved machines. (2024) Yamaha XSR900 Final Thoughts. As we step into 2024, the Yamaha XSR900 emerges as more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a connection to the roots of motorcycling while embracing the future. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic design, captivated by its high-performance capabilities, or enticed by the prospect of joining a passionate community, the XSR900 offers an all-encompassing riding experience. In a world where motorcycles are not merely modes of transportation but extensions of personal identity, the 2024 Yamaha XSR900 stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the open road and the boundless spirit of adventure. It's a celebration of where Yamaha has been, where it is now, and where it's heading in the exciting landscape of motorcycling. The 2024 Yamaha XSR900 stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to delivering motorcycles that seamlessly blend the best of both worlds: classic charm and modern performance. With its eye-catching design, powerful engine, advanced technology, and customizable options, the XSR900 is set to captivate riders who appreciate the fusion of heritage and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the 2024 Yamaha XSR900 promises an unforgettable riding experience that transcends time.